ชื่อมาร์คผมเป็นโค้ดเนเตอร์ที่อนุบาลสาธิตโมรังสิตนะครับ Hello, my name is Mr. Mark. I am the kindergarten coordinator at Sathit Bilingual School of Rangsit University. We are an IB primary years program school and our main focus is through play-based learning. We love to have activities that inspire inquiry in children. We want them to be adventurous through their play. We have structured and unstructured play activities for them and we want them to gain as much knowledge as they can from every unit.
Our aim is to inspire inquiry in young learners inside and outside the classroom and develop skills through both structured and unstructured play. We have a range of activities that take place all around our campus, including outdoor physical activities utilising our array of sports facilities and equipment. We have various areas for learners to grow inquiry skills and their role-playing ability. This includes an outdoor mud kitchen to engage in pretend cooking and a child-friendly sales booth to buy and sell their made products and also sit down and socialise through conversation. We have a butterfly garden that is an inspiring way for our students to learn about the natural world and life cycles. The learners have a hands-on approach to the study of butterflies' life cycle by observing real-life caterpillars changing into pupa and then growing into butterflies. Learners are given the exciting opportunity to release the butterflies into their garden once they are ready for the natural world. We also have a bright and natural indoor library to inspire research and storytelling in our learners. Shared reading as an important way to encourage conversation between peers and grow an inquisitive mind. Through our library lending system, learners are encouraged to take books home to read with their family. This builds a sense of responsibility and takes their learning home to be shared with those close to them.